This Survex plan of the caves shows the entrances to Fridge Door Cave and Cueva Llanío. The scale bar has a length of 1 kilometer. The caves come close to each other. Now looking at an elevation. The passage beyond the sumps in Fridge Door Cave, that heads east, is at an altitude of about 127 meters. This puts it at the same level as a dig at the end of High Pulse in Cueva Llanío. The distance between them is about 90 meters. Torben Redder explains.
This is what it looks like head first. There's quite a good draft. Still about 2 meters of digging. It's difficult to see how big it gets down there, but it seems like there's more room.
However, only 50 meters away, but between 20 and 40 meters above, lies a more complicated area, at the end of Playing Card House pushover. These northwest area extensions were first explored in the summer of 2011, but now probably need another determined examination.
So, no one ever needs to go that way. Yeah. A bit dodgy, but I think I'm there. Yeah.
Jim Lister's video starts at the eastern end of the new passage in Fridge Door Cave, and works back towards Stalagmite Junction.
So this is 27, that's the new station. You can't proceed any further due to a pitch. Big passage continuing, even bigger passage continuing. Some very nice formations. Stalagmite Junction. On the right, the inlet. I don't know if it's big enough to get up, but we'll leave that for another time. Hole in the floor, taking a small amount of water possibly, disappears into an impenetrable inlet at the bottom, end of the mud. Recorded the bear trap. Collection of bear pit. Stalagmite Junction. I don't know where that goes. That passes there, goes back approximately 50 metres to dive base. So I'm going to start surveying again here.